Business models are a sandbox that you can use to explore ideas with. And this is its biggest use as a tool, is to ask, what if? What if my business was different? What would happen then? What would I be able to do? Now, one way of thinking about this is to treat your business as a box of Lego. And at the moment, it's all put together in one particular way. What then happens if you start swapping the bricks out for different coloured bricks? The very simple shape form remains the same. Then what happens if you start changing some of the bricks, putting a rectangular brick down instead of a square brick? What happens if you start reassembling the house? And fundamentally, what we're trying to do with business model innovation is enable that imagination, that creativity, asking what can you correct with the same building blocks, rearranged differently, perhaps bringing in new building blocks that weren't available when you first put your business model together. So when most people are thinking about a transformation project, people think about one part of it. They don't think about the whole system. And this generally results in a business that's underperforming. They're swapping one brick, which may be at marketing, for another brick, doing marketing in a slightly different way. And what we want to do when we're doing business model innovation is to think of the whole business as a system. So what we have with the business model canvas is a tool that enables us to change multiple aspects of the business at once and then compare them. So for example, you may want to change your customers' revenue and value proposition on the canvas. Draw out your change on the canvas. Then draw out a couple of variants. Compare the three new business models side by side and consider which is going to be the best for your business. Simply map out your competitors' business models, identify their strengths and weaknesses, and then design your new business model. Putting them side by side, explore how your new business model will disrupt their business. Then consider how they can react and ask if the new design does give you sustainable competitive advantage. These are simple exercises that take the business model canvas far beyond being a simple tool for mapping out your business. They let you explore in a structured way what happens if you make big changes to your business and whether they will deliver the big changes that you expect and hope for.